po. Yeah, me wakwa baba kwesi TV. So only as I want subscribe ya, but more than subscribe on that red button na bo hono. Subscribe. I just say, na hit the notification bell no. Ni mi adoma no so crying sebe ya every upload be a baby I want sabe kebi. So one hit here ya upload wa unhu. What I say so when you videos no ho kwa dey abomodin na share ma afofro like it. Aye, dwumadi so ayedi ade edidi nkom pa comment bar ho. Se bibi na wo pese wo ya no comment wase ho na yese ye to aso fefefe. Now we will say who is your favorite? Vote for your favorite. Vote your favorite. And now the medical any strong G ebremo because of the beef be near the other. A man for be my own say oh strong man and on my yada no na strong man also LED. Aye na enne ye ko movie industry. Movie industry mu na ye ko. Na movie industry mu na ye ko no nya comedian mienu bi a de omototo ye Kojon Cancer na ejako Lewin ana Kofiedu. What I say my interchange no. Nti Kofiedu ana Kojon Cancer, Alex Kofiedu ana Kojon Cancer. Omienu ho na your favorite. Emma edin no anase omanim keke no nyede ema wo mfa wadwene. Anase emma omudin keke no emfa empo masem. Nemu hunu de omaye wo industry, de omaye aboa ama industry no. Alex Kofiedu ye nyina ye nim se efe na chako no. Yanka se ono na ji Ghana film ni si ho. De mimi nim no de mi hu ye no. Ona ji Ghana film no esi ho because then times na Nigerians no I take over Nigerian movies no kwa na patronize ye in Ghana ha say Sabrina Alex Kofiedu era movie industry but in the movie amekai pa Kumasi Yonko Munya Misumponiye in Sempi that time no obeji movie industry no esi ho with his style na ye comedy every role bia we play akokra we play kronfo we play sikeni just say oye extraordinary talented comedian actor Ghana has ever known. Ye wo Kofiedu I think say 1969 or so. That means now no nimfie no ekọ animu. Yeah, na oba movie industry no the changes bebre eba mu. Obeye the highest paid actor ewo Ghana ha due to the style and I say due to the effort out the bebra movie industry no no. Yeah, that is the Chi movie industry. Kuma would need there you will be a brand and I say you will be company so and that Kumasi movie ne so you will be a production and I say will be a company at a charter house nti no end so nti ana at times na nkofo bebre confused over that the Kuma would for no eti Kofiedu obi obeji movie ni so ama Ghanaians any ba movie ni so ama omani e free Nigerian movies ni so Kofiedu I friend no ejako no adwuma oba be ye me experience and I make and I said de me hu ene de mate de eni hu ene de ati ne edi hu adanse eti sabra Nigerians no ebe wura Ghana movie no ma na impo Ghana movie ne hunu ni sibre ye hunu ba bi ejina no ejako with some of the directors director kese ba akope Miracle Film old ni 20th anniversary I think it's September. We share pictures, you know. Share movies, you know. 20 years ago, no. Look at Nkofo no mo Peter Dochi Mone, Clement Hameze Mone, Tony Omeze mo, Kwame Osuansa, any ade. And he's telling you say some years ago the Nigerian movies, you know, about be rap system. But if he say Jaco be room, no. Me hunu sa Nkofo no bebre. Me say ibu mo beba. Ba be twetwe bi wa ha ni ade but hunu say well hunu say call that way edidimu ye hunu de si ye ensem bebre anema ejako efidi kakra enye se wo free mu but ahemfu nkinye enti abra odi animu no obi aba betu no mekanisa eye me view and say won me nya adwena no nchire comment ban na wo ho no na wo de wa adwena hye ho Kojo Nkansah enso so bai Kojo Nkansah so be wura system obey na system no ye dey ejina so ono so be fair din bi say Lewin I think so ono so in 1987 that's around 32 years emuni ono so ba be ye bi obetry ono so play role be bre we play akra we play yarefo we play akronfo we play akokora and yen Ghana has see ayinim no as say the best comedian actor utimi play akokora because so many tones when it comes to so or koya akokora there or tones be bre or 90 be bre. I'm telling you for the fact that this guy is the youngest, but he's the fool. Mr. Mo, and your fool is away, Jimmy. And your fool is when it comes to comedy, or you're talented, or you're very good, or by the peak of the Ghana movie. Yeah, or also by beginners, or by yet you beat me bia. Kojo Nkansah, tried you beat me bia. Oh, movie industry, no. Even maybe a tone sini okwa that is the marketers no utimi ko yesisini no Kojo Nkansah naso yentimi nton Kojo Nkansah naso yento is telling you say Kojo Nkansah be a leading role and I say a leading member of the Ghana movie industry no so oba kumase ha ai oko marketers no ha is Kojo Nkansah naso yento eti so no so ba beji ni din but adie ba ko enze on the time and a movie industry no afole again yedi ahye dum so yedi ahye decoder yedi ahye CD ayento ene sa ne ma no ti analysis ni ye the movie industry was down Ejako brought it up Kojo Nkansah came it was like this but Kojo Nkansah time no wajini din waye bibia but the movie industry is down now. Even though some people are shooting, some people are doing shoot and the other, but when we say it is down, and by some just say we share peak Ejako edibedu ye no now we say yeah the number of movies are releasing is down, the number of CDs tono is down. I remember mini baby cry ton CD. It is telling you that a movie industry no either aba form. See nim senka bia was stranka Lewin and I say Kojo Nkansah obetimi agina so saa and I say nka obi foforo ebetimi aba betun. Yeah, nkofo ho but I think say because the movie industry no form no na ma omuntimi ema mewura mu no. It is this the letter that ye can afa saa actors imi no ho. Ba akodi aba form akodi aba soro. But see a bass or mummy style now, they are all good by all standards in their own different way. It's a positive TV, the EPC Muyeni. Nipa we are done no pay the analysis now, my no. And I said, pay the little I've said about these two actors. No. Just write your comment down. As I say, Nipa or person who votes man or your favorite. No. My comment name comment bar. Subscribe to Akwasi TV. Ye be more videos and it said be ya o person unya video ni bi no hit on the notification bell ye upload ya on sabe count there so Akwasi TV I adwen say ye be more money age ye be more money aka ye be more videos bebre what I say and ye the Obanti series ye upload every Thursday Obanti yeah enkrofo say chinchina twa wom confuse movie womb and the solo kuhima money ade some underground actresses and actors be our more air system on him. Yeah, your Akwasi TV comedy. That is matter for you. The little girl a person so about industry ni no so about beje esi hobie. Yeah, the Rasta pastor and so Abraham that are several blinks. And guy now cause di loto no ono so e wo no so star na so ono so comedy. And the comedies bebre videos bebre analysis bebre and Akwasi TV ya debremo so won subscribe to channel la Mr. subscribe that red button na or na subscribe go so me aso na subscribe hit the notification bell na video fufuro bia no ya upload ya on sabeka me that's it but don't forget to share this video.